Pagdating sa pastry and bakery business, products na kailangan ng mix ang iyong gimmick. Pero ngalay na ba ang braso mo kakanid at kakamix? Mga kanegosyo, if you want that ngalay gone, then consider it done. Introducing the Buy and Earn Spiral Mixer. It's time to say no to manual mixing or manual dough kneading and start saying whoa. When it comes to your dough, this is the way to go. Ilagay lamang isa-isa sa machine's bowl ang ingredients na gusto mong i-mix o i-knead tulad ng dough. At pwedeng-pwede ka rin mag-add ng other ingredients and even some condiments. Once you're done, press the start button and watch the mixing device blend all your ingredients together. With minimal mess and less stress, talagang swak na swak to sa inyong bakery and pastry business. You can also use this to mix ingredients for your burger buns, bread, pizza, at marami pang iba. Ngayon alam nyo na mga kanegosyo, with Buy and Earn, you can make it work without the extra work. Call the number on your screen today and we'll take care of you all the way.